Good morning friends, I am Arun Kiradi. Today I would like to give some awareness on COVID-19, which is pandemic all over the world. I request all citizens, please obey the order of Government of India, which is very good to all of us. Of course, Indian government take so many preventive measures. Still, the COVID-19 is going all over the world and it is spreading like anything. But still, by comparing to other countries, India is performing really well. That is really appreciable thing by the Government of India. So the only one thing is, if the Government of India forced the lockdown, many people try to go outside without any reasons. Of course, this is a very fact. So people are very much crazy about to go outside. I don't know why the people think like that. So I want to say that live and let live, because if the people live within the home, many people lives should be protected. Why I am saying this word? Because if the people are having highest immunity, perhaps it may not make any effect on them, but probably if they go outside and spread to others, if the immune system is very low, they will got affected. Many doctors suggested that also. So please obey the order of government. So we can say many countries try to invent the pharmaceutical for this. So India is always there, but many investments made on that pharmaceutical, just like UK spend more than billions together to protect the people. So we all together to protect the nation. So we have to obey the order of government. So at the same time, we want to see the national economy as well, because as per the report, Indian economy will be hit hard from particular this COVID-19, because more than many employment opportunities will be curtailed, and then India will go back for within another 10 years back also. So we are seeing that India is a developing nation. Now for this pandemic, India is go back like anything, because you can see many stock exchanges lose their worth because of this effect. So you can say so many big countries like US, UK, France, Switzerland, so many countries lost their all economic worth because of this pandemic. So you can say that, of course, this is a very fact. So in future, hope that many countries come together forward and to protect against this COVID-19. So I request everyone, let unite the nation and be with the government and live and let live with the people. Thank you. Namaste.